बेसिकली मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ जो बच्चे फेल हो रहे हैं बार बार, आपको 5 बैंड आ रहा है, 5.5 बैंड आ रहा है, तो उनको मैं गारंटी के साथ पास करवाती हूँ। हेलो व्यूअर्स, आई एम शुभ्रा मुखर्जी। आई एम द IELTS ट्रेनर इन कोलकाता IELTS सेंटर इन पात्रा। आज मैं जो बोलने जा रही हूँ उसके बारे में एक बार ध्यान से सुनिए। मोस्टली IELTS को लेके सभी में बहुत ज़्यादा डर है। ये इट इज़ नेचुरल दैट डर तो लगता ही है, क्योंकि इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज के ऊपर बच्चे एग्जाम देने जाते हैं। बट अगर आप लोग सही तरीके से उसको प्रिपेयर करते हो, आई डोंट फील दैट आप लोगों के कोई प्रॉब्लम होने वाला है। एटलीस्ट आई कैन गारंटी यू, इफ यू आर कमिंग टू मी, देन आई कैन गारंटी योर रिजल्ट। दिस इज नॉट लाइक दैट कि मैं आपको देखकर ही, आपको चेहरा देख के मैं आपको गारंटी दे देती हूँ। इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट। अगर आप पढ़ते हो डेली बेसिस में, आपका परफॉर्मेंस मैं देखती हूँ एंड आपकी नोटबुक मैं चेक करती हूँ, आफ्टर दैट ओनली आई कैन कम टू अ कंक्लूजन दैट आपका एग्जाम स्कोर क्या होने वाला है। यस, बिफोर योर एग्जाम मोस्टली आई अनाउंस योर रिजल्ट। आप लोग सुन के हैरान होंगे कि एग्जाम के पहले कोई कैसे किसी के रिजल्ट बता सकते हैं। यस, आई कैन, एंड आई हैव बीन डूइंग फॉर दैट फॉर लास्ट 7 years दिस इज, एंड मेरी बताया हुआ है कोई भी रिजल्ट आज तक गलत नहीं हुए, आज तक। तो यू आर ऑल वेलकम टू माई इंस्टीट्यूट एंड हैव अ लुक एंड टेक a demo class for 1 or 2 days and you will come to know। अब सिर्फ ये नहीं, आप मेरी वीडियोस देखिए, मेरी बच्चों की वीडियोस देखिए, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि मैं कैसे प्रिपेयर करती हूँ। तो मुझे लगता है कि IELTS को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा डरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं। यस, यू नीड मच मोर प्रैक्टिस एंड जब तक आप एग्जाम ना देते हो, आप बिल्कुल छुट्टी ना करना और आप कंटिन्यूअसली रीडिंग करे जाना। और जैसे जैसे मैं आप लोगों को इंस्ट्रक्शंस देती रहती हूँ, उस हिसाब से आप अगर मेहनत करते हो तो आपके लिए IELTS कोई बात नहीं। आपने देखे होंगे मेरे इंस्टीट्यूट में बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो कि पंजाबी मीडियम स्कूल से, यानी कि गवर्नमेंट स्कूल से बिलोंग करते हैं, पढ़े हुए हैं, बट उनकी स्पीकिंग देख के आप हैरान हो जाओगे कि वो ये ऐसे इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश कैसे बोल सकते हैं। एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल बिकॉज ऑफ योर हार्ड वर्क एंड माई प्रॉपर इंस्ट्रक्शन एंड योर means hard work only, nothing else। you have to follow me। आप अगर मुझे अच्छी तरह फॉलो करते हो, हार्ड वर्क करते हो, तो रिजल्ट विल बी योर्स एंड यू विल गो टू योर डेस्टिनेशन। सो ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स आर वेलकम टू माय इंस्टीट्यूट। बेसिकली मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ जो बच्चे फेल हो रहे हैं बार बार, आपको 5 बैंड आ रहा है, 5.5 बैंड आ रहा है, तो उनको मैं गारंटी के साथ पास करवाती हूँ। एंड बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे मेरे अभी कनाडा में पीयर लेके भी बैठे हुए हैं। तो एक बार आओ और मेरी स्ट्रैटेजी देखो कि बिकॉज आई बिलोंग टू कोलकाता, आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम पंजाब। तो आप सोच सकते हो, आप समझ सकते हो कि मेरी सारी टोटल स्ट्रैटेजी इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम पंजाब। तो अगर मैं आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ तो आप आंखें बंद करके विश्वास कर सकते हो कि आपकी नेक्स्ट ट्रिप starts from Kolkata IELTS to Canada। Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine. What is your name?
My name is Sweety.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in a small town which is called Patna and it falls in district Patiala.
Okay. Can you tell me something about your hometown?
Yes, basically as I earlier mentioned that it is a small town and there are so many facilities, for example schooling and road facilities as well as hospitals are there for the public so that they can enjoy in that each and everything.
Okay. How long have you been there?
I have been there since past 6 or 7 years because previously we were in a village.
Okay. Okay, sweetie. Now I'm going to ask you some questions on working. Do you work a lot?
Basically, I don't work a lot because I have my two-wheeler, and at that time, I just use that if I have to go somewhere. For example, in the morning, usually I go to institute for my studies. So at that time, I don't work a lot because of that.
Okay. Do you work more than in the past?
No, I don't work more as in the past because at that time I had to go to so many places. For example, I had to go to school for my studies, and sometimes I had to go to institute. So at that time, usually I work a lot, but nowadays I have my own vehicle, and usually if I have to go somewhere, so at that time I usually prefer that.
Okay. Do you think people will work more in the future?
No, I don't think so that they will work more in the future because we have seen that so many technical gadgets are developed by the scientists as well as engineers. So I think that they will use that type of things if they have to travel somewhere, and I don't think so that they will work more in the future.
Now our first part is over. And this is your cue card. So you'll get 1 minute for this. This is your page. You can use this.
Well, we all know that there are so many traditions in our country. For example, touching feet, yoga, or something like Holi. But basically, I think the most enjoyable tradition in our country is Diwali because it is celebrated by all the people, and it is also connected with the past because as we all know that in our past when the Lord Rama came back after 14 years, and at that time the people of that kingdom enjoyed a lot and welcomed the Lord Rama by lighting the candles and diyas, and at that time it is also considered as a festival of lights because when the family members and relatives meet with each other and they enhance their pleasure by sharing their thoughts, feelings, and they also like to give gifts to each other, and mostly it is seen that children like to burst crackers, and basically it is a type that we can say they are polluting the environment, which is not good because nowadays people are not too much conscious about their health, and I think so it should be replaced by giving the by planting more trees, and I think it is a festival of love, and it always represents a sign of that we should always be together and always live together in an enjoyable way, and basically it is considered as a festival of lights.
Okay, now this is the time for follow-up. What is the importance of traditional festival?
Well, I think the basic importance is that it always help us to recall our past because nowadays the children, the upcoming youth is forgetting the tradition day by day, and they are just following the new type of cultures, basically like Western culture, and it helps us to recall the things that what we have done in the past, and how the people live and how they maintain their life according to the different kind of situations.
Okay. What is the difference between festival now and in the past?
The main difference in the festival in the past is that in the past time the people have some purpose to celebrate any type of festival, but nowadays we have seen that people are just celebrating their festival for their fun. They are just forgot the meaning of that festival, that why we are celebrating it. So it is a basic difference.
Do you think Western festivals like Christmas are replacing traditional festivals in your country?
Yes, of course, because nowadays it is seen that mostly in children it is a craze of celebrating Western cultures. For example, the children start preparing for Christmas before 2 or 3 days from the day of celebration, and they just start preparing different kind of activities. For example, they have to decorate a Christmas tree, and which is basically a part of that festival. And I think it is replacing the culture of our country. But I think all festivals are for the enjoyment of children, and it is not a wrong to say that if they are enjoying, then it is not a bad idea.
Do you think it is wrong for children not to celebrate traditional festivals?
No, it is not a wrong, because every tradition or every festival is there for the enjoyment of people, and if they are enjoying it a lot, then we can't say that it is a wrong, because all the festival comes up with an enjoyment with the family, relatives, as well as with the friends. So if they have a fun with each other, then basically they are enjoying that.
Okay, sweetie, that's all of our interview. Okay, let's wait for your result. That's all.
Thank you.